Hello everyone, this is Poster Generator and this helps event organizer, marketer to generate their post for their events. This simply asks for add events here. As you can see, I have already three events here. I will add one more, that is Christmas Eve, and we will enter date and time. Suppose any time I am choosing here, and simply we will write out something about Christmas. Yeah, we can. I am copying directly, but you can write your own as per your event, about your event. And here we will enter text that will be help to find image. Suppose I will here add Christmas, and we can add more than one text to app for such appropriate image. Here we can add additional info. Suppose I am organizing an online events, I can write here the my own website name. Here I am writing here venue. Suppose I am taking White House. Okay, and then I will add this. I will click on this card Christmas Eve. It will redirect us to editor page. Here you can see that I have this post. I can directly download it, but if I want to make some changes, suppose I don't like this post, I can directly regenerate it by clicking on the regenerate button. Okay, I think this is best. Short heading, and you can see here the heading is auto generating as per about event section, and we can edit here. Suppose I don't like this dot by uh, this dot, I can edit this by clicking on edit button, and simply here I can edit. I want to change my organizer name. Suppose it can be uh, XYZ company, and I want to add some stars here. Okay, that will be fine. I will turn off the edit, and you see I can't edit more of this. I don't like this text color, so I want to change the text color. Okay, the logo is the organizer, this one. Okay, I think that will be okay. You can choose any color, but I am choosing randomly, and then we can. I don't want backdrop. I can change this. I don't have now backdrop, and if you don't want image, you can simply increase the opacity of the backdrop. Now image will be disappear, and you can change the color of the backdrop also, opacity. Okay, that's all fine. I love this, but I don't like the image. I can change the image also. Okay, this will be fine. It's looking great. I think white will be better. Yes, it's fine. Okay. Now I want to download it. I simply click on download, and it will download my poster here. You can see. Thank you for watching, guys.